Welcome to this complete guide on SalesPlay Web Store. In this video, you'll learn how to create your own online store, configure the web store settings, share your store with customers, and process online orders directly from the SalesPlay POS app. Let's get started. SalesPlay Web Store allows you to create your own online storefront using a dedicated web link. Customers can browse products, place orders online, and include delivery instructions or payment preferences during checkout. All online orders are automatically synchronized with your SalesPlay POS app, making it easy to manage orders in one place. You can review each order and either accept or reject it. If an order is rejected, you can provide a reason that will be shown to the customer. Accepted orders are moved to the Web Store section, where they can be prepared and completed. Before creating your online store, you need to enable the Web Store feature in the SalesPlay backoffice. From Integration Apps, enable QR Ordering, Web Store.